Do you like this product?
Yeah.
You like to rub it in your hair? Rub it in your hands? Yes. Is it a good product?
Yeah.
Do you love it?
Yeah.
Oh, say grandma product is good.
It's not Grandma.
Thank you. As you just heard, Ori says it best. Grandma product is good. This is the sermon that you apply from root to ends and just gently massage your scalp to make sure everything is distributed evenly. We also have the conditioning butter that Ori was using to apply directly to his hair and scalp. This product helped to moisturize, promote hair growth, and you can try it and create you a routine that is beneficial to your lifestyle so you can get all of the benefit and nutrients from our product. Thank you for visiting and visit our website www.rlhairstudio.net.